Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist, the author of many books on drawing cartoons and manga, comics, figure drawing. I'd like to show you today how to do very simple girl's face, manga face. So we're going to start with a 3/4 view and tilt it down slightly. So I'll let you get this shape before we continue. We're going to go rough. I'm going to make adjustments. You're going to make adjustments. You don't have to get it right the first time. That's sort of it right there. That's the center line going down to the bottom of the chin. This is the shape of the head. She's facing this way. And we're going to adjust this. So if you don't feel it's just right, don't worry. Really don't worry. Here's the eye line. The eyes are going to go here. Now the nose comes out here. This is the tip of the nose. It goes back, the bridge of the nose goes here, but we're just going to work on that placement. We're going to leave the rest out for most manga characters. The bridge of the nose in 3/4 view isn't shown. Bring up the jaw to the ear. So the jaw comes this way. And now we're going to lose all this stuff back here under the hair. But we're just looking to taper it here. This side, this eye, very slender because the perspective is right, facing all the way over here. This eye, on the other hand, much more full. They're both about the same height. Let me just make a little quick fix here. And maybe we'll bring this up a touch. Yeah, adjust as we go along. The lashes can come out, break the outline. This cheek area is very important. And I may bring this in a little bit. See how the adjustments are starting to work? It's hard to just decide to put it down perfectly the first time. And there's also, here's the secret, you don't need to. It doesn't matter where you start, it's where you end. Bring the smile back here. That's good. We're going to build this out here a little bit. And we're going to bring the hair down in front. See that? Nice strand like this. And over here, give it a little bit of depth. Go past the neck and the back. Now we can erase the back of the head because now the hair is taken over. Now you can just draw this straight across, but as if you watched my stuff before, you know that I'm big into not making the hair look like a helmet, so we'll add just a touch of a part, the indentation there. And instead of going straight down, we'll kind of have it come off a little bit so it kind of gradually goes down. Big arch here, small arch here. I want to change this a little bit, just a little bit. I want to bring that up a little. And here is the neck still, right in there. We'll bring a shoulder up. How's that? We bring a shoulder up like that. We're going to have a big shine here, smaller shine on the other side. Bigger eyelid on top. Small eyelid in the bottom. Okay, now I think we have enough we can start to draw it in, pencil it in. Let's do this, little adjustments. Now I'm getting a little, you get to the point in art where if you keep going, you will deprove it instead of improve it. We're right there, we're right there. So I'm going to start to go over it with my Sharpie right now. Thick upper eyelash. And same thing on this side. Just a few, not too many. Put this eye back further on toward the right. Kind of tuck it in there. And same thing here. This is a slender one because of the perspective. Remember that? It's much more slender. going to put a shine here and a good shine here. But we're not putting the shine touching the upper eyelid. We have to put some black there. Otherwise it's going to make it look like she's staring at us. It really does. It's a kind of weird effect. So we're not going to do that. Upper eyelid crease. Hold a second. It's hard to get it not to bleed on this one. Okay, now nice and easy. And nice curve, nothing straight. That's right. Bring this to a point. And we'll bring the shoulder over. A little shadow under the neck. I forgot the other one. This ear is too high now. It's higher when you tilt the head down than when you look up, but still, that's a little high, so I want to bring it down here. And I'll put a nice strand of hair down here that flows down like so from the top of the head. Have some bangs. And there you go. There is simple anime girl that you can draw. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe. New videos every Monday. Bye-bye.